Hey everyone, if your Microsoft OneNote notes aren't syncing across your devices, don't worry. Sync issues are usually caused by a few common problems like internet connectivity, account issues, or notebook conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven ways to fix Microsoft OneNote not syncing, so let's get started. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. OneNote relies on cloud synchronization through OneDrive or SharePoint, so an unstable connection can prevent your notes from syncing properly. Next, try syncing the notebook manually. Right-click the notebook name and choose Sync this notebook now, or open the Notebook Sync status window and start a manual synchronization. Yeah, this often resolves temporary sync delays. If syncing still doesn't work, check that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. An expired sign-in session or account mismatch can stop OneNote from connecting to your cloud notebooks. Using an outdated version of OneNote may also cause synchronization problems. So, open Microsoft Office updates or your App Store, depending on your device, and install the latest available version. If you see a sync conflict or error message, open the notebook and review the conflicting pages. Copy any important information before resolving the conflict or moving the content into a new page if necessary. If the issue continues, close the notebook and reopen it from OneDrive. In some cases, restarting the OneNote app or your device can also refresh the connection and restore normal syncing. And that's how to fix Microsoft OneNote not syncing. In most cases, checking your connection, updating the app, and forcing a manual sync will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials.